Well, to recap the month that was in the market and to preview what to watch this week, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Alexandra Semenova and Jared Blickery. Alex, let's start with you. So we're watching the Fed, of course, this week.
Yeah, Inez, well, the Fed's next policy move and October's jobs report on Friday are going to headline a busy start to November trading this week, and both events are going to determine whether the momentum that we have seen in October will hold up for the rest of the year. Now, investors are expecting another 75 basis point rate hike on Wednesday. There's very little room for surprise when it comes to the actual policy decision, but they'll tune into what Jerome Powell has to say afterwards and where FOMC members stand with their economic projections. We've been seeing some signs in data that the economy is showing signs of slowing down. With the jobs report out this week, we're expecting payroll gains to fall below that key 200,000 number. We've also heard a change in tune from some Fed members that have kind of renewed optimism among investors that the Fed may scale back on hikes in December and pivot sooner than expected. But much of Wall Street is actually saying not just yet. Analysts at Goldman Sachs and Bank of America are actually saying that investors should not be eating up any hawkish whispers out of the Fed, that even if officials begin those discussions, Jay Powell is still likely to come out and assert that the Fed's priority is to rein in inflation and to proceed with aggressive tightening. This moment feels kind of like July and August. We saw investors hoping for a pivot, and then we saw a big slump in September when Jay Powell came out and Jackson Holmes said that that wouldn't happen.